early in the year, I created Google Apps for Education for third grade, and I created accounts for the teachers, and I created accounts for the students. And part of Google Apps for Education is called Google Drive. And this is just an online storage place for students and teachers to just store their files. They could also create new files if they want. And then everything gets stored online. You don't need to download any programs or save anything to a jump drive or to the actual computer. It's all done online. You can access it anywhere that has an internet connection. The feature I use most recently in my class is this shared with me feature. And if I want to share a file, let's say O3 math multiplication, I could right click it, I could hit share, and then I could type in the name or email address of anyone I want to share it with. And then once they log into their Google account, which I'm logged into mine, my teacher account, they can click their share with me folder, and then they can see all the files that were shared with them. So my class typed up a story for their student treasures book that they created called How Giraffes Got Long Necks, and they each created their own story, and then they shared it with me. So once it's shared with me, there's some pretty interesting things you can do. So on another device, I have Tut logged into her account. So Tut's logged into her account, I'm logged into my account. But she shared her file with me, and I can view that file. She is also on her account in that file at the same time. So we're both going to be looking at the same file. So once she shares it with me, as soon as I open it, we're linked. We both can make edits. We both can add comments. We can change anything we want. So since she's in the account with me or in this file with me at the same exact time, I see a pink T up here. And then I also see this cursor down here. And this is showing me exactly where Tut is in her story right now. So she's working on her story. I could make changes or I could make suggestions. So let's say I think that this paragraph needs something added to it. So Tut will see this paragraph being highlighted on her screen, and then I could hit comments, and then I could create a comment, and then this paragraph changes into a different color, and I could say add more details to this paragraph. And then I could hit my comment. So now this comment gets posted, and then this gets highlighted on Tut's screen until I resolve it. So now she sees this highlight, so she knows that there's a problem. So she reads my comment, and then she makes whatever changes she feels necessary. So she can just do add more detail. And as she's typing, I can see it on my screen. So we just saw all this get added. So she added more detail to the beginning of this paragraph. And then she could even go a step further, and she can respond to my comment. So she wants to know, is this okay? And then here we see her response. Is this okay? And if I think that's okay, I can hit resolve. The highlight goes away. It goes away on both of our screens, so we know that whatever she did was okay. So this can be used from teacher to student. It could also be used teacher to teacher. We can share files with each other. We can make changes, lesson plans, anything we want. We could also do it teacher to administrator if we want to do report cards, progress reports, any of that. We can simply share it, do our comments all online, no printing, no exchanging of jump drives, no emailing. This is really, really simple, excellent feature for Google Drive.